Are prong collars bad for dog training? Imagine trying to communicate with someone using a tool that might hurt them. That's what some people wonder about when they hear about prong collars. These collars have metal prongs that press into a dog's neck when they pull on the leash. They are designed to give a quick correction, similar to what a mother dog might do with her puppies. When used properly, prong collars can help owners give clear leash signals with less force than traditional collars. They can be especially useful for large or strong dogs that tend to pull a lot. Prong collars are made with blunt, inward-angled prongs that spread pressure evenly around the neck. This design helps prevent puncture wounds and reduces injury risk. The collar should be fitted correctly, sitting high on the neck behind the ears, not at the base of the skull. Proper fitting is essential to avoid discomfort or harm. When used gently and combined with positive reinforcement, prong collars can serve as a training aid rather than a punishment device. However, many animal welfare groups and trainers believe prong collars are harmful and unethical. They argue that they relying on causing pain or discomfort, which can be stressful for dogs. Physical injuries like puncture wounds, nerve damage, or infections are possible if the collar is misused or fitted improperly. Beyond physical harm, using aversive tools like prong collars can affect a dog's mental health, making them anxious or fearful. This can damage the bond between the dog and owner and may lead to behavioral issues. It is also important to understand that prong collars are not magic solutions. They do not address the root causes of behavioral problems. Instead, they are often used as a quick fix, which might mask issues rather than solve them. Many trainers recommend starting with positive reinforcement methods that reward good behavior. These methods build trust and encourage dogs to learn without fear or pain. In some cases, prong collars may be appropriate, but only when used correctly and under professional guidance. They can be safer than choke chains or flat collars if fitted properly and used with care. Still, they carry risks of both physical and psychological harm if misused or used harshly. The best approach is to explore gentle training tools first and consider prong collars only for specific situations where other methods have failed. Always consult a professional trainer or veterinarian before deciding to use a prong collar.